As it spread to become a global pandemic, the COVID-19 virus drastically impacted life as we know it. If you are a parent or guardian of a young child, you are well aware that opportunities for children's active play and sport were swiftly stripped away from them. Under pandemic public health measures, many physical activity supporting environments, such as schools, playgrounds, camps, and recreation facilities, were closed. This left many parents struggling to keep children stimulated, healthy, and entertained while forced to spend many hours inside at home. This lack of access to physical activity supporting environments created a big problem, as children couldn't reap the benefits of active play, like how it supports their physical development, enhances their social competence and resiliency, and promotes better sleep. As researchers, this led us to explore how the pandemic has impacted children's physical activity. With this aim in mind, the purpose of this study was to explore Ontario parents and children's perspectives, their opinions, comfort, intention, and fears about children's physical activity needs during the pandemic. We also wanted to hear about parents and children's intentions to return to their pre-pandemic active play programming. To achieve these goals, we launched 2 online surveys, one in the summer of 2020, right after the onset of the pandemic, and another 1 year later. We also conducted interviews with parents and children to understand their feelings and challenges more completely. Are you wondering what we found? It turns out that children and their parents had lots to share. The importance of social connection dominated our research findings. Most notably, children really missed the social connections that had been lost. As one child said,
"I miss seeing my friends and going to competitions or swim meets and just having fun."
Children were also worried about losing some of their sports skills because they didn't have access to their usual spaces to practice. One kid said,
"I miss seeing how people can teach me new ways to get better and play with a group of people instead of just one person."
Parents were also worried about their children's movement levels during the pandemic and reported increased amounts of screen time. One parent said,
"Screen time has increased. In the beginning, there was nothing for you really to do but to watch TV, nowhere to go and really nothing to do."
However, parents quickly learned that they could get their children active while at home. We found that many families reported using social media like TikTok and YouTube to get up and move, and that if you got creative, you could get active outside or inside of the home. Having outdoor space was a huge facilitator. As one parent noted,
"We are so lucky that I have a big yard. We have the trampoline in the back. A yard to play in has definitely helped."
The results of this study helped to demonstrate the importance of physical activity and healthy movement on children's mental well-being, social connectedness, and overall mood. Physical activity is an essential part of growing up, and we need to reduce barriers to getting active in difficult times such as a pandemic. Stay tuned for more resources on how to get active while at home or outside in your nearby park.